All been there where we found a listing that's selling well, but then we've realized it is a variation listing where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variations, and you're not sure if the product that you've sourced for a profitable price is selling well, or is it another one on that variation listing? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can figure out which of the variation listings is selling well using the power of BuyBotPro. Let's go. So guys, we've got this variation up here, this Night Unisex Club cap thing. And let's just assume that it, this particular, colour that you've looked at is navy, for example, and you've sourced it at a good price. You can see it's making a good price, but you can also scroll down and see that there's a variation. There's a black, navy, and a white. What BuyBotPro is actually going to do is when you click on to all of these, sorry, that was a black, this is the navy. As you can see, it reloads the page when you go on each variation, and it's showing you the profit for each one depending on the price, the size, and everything like that, because that could be different. Let's click on the white one, and that's going to reload the page, and that's accurate to that. However, what most people want to know is which variation listing is actually selling, because sometimes we might, let's say, find the black initially and we thought, that's the only one that we can find a good price for. Let's say we found that hat for £2, but all the others are £10. It's the only one that makes profit. But how do we then know what's got the most sales? You can click down here, guys. You click show variations, and let me talk you through this. So the first thing you're going to notice here is the review count. And if we click on the review count there, straight away what it does, double click on that, it shows us the one that's got most reviews. And usually, most of the time, that actually means that it's the most, it's got the most sales because it's got the most reviews. Okay, the more sales you get, the more reviews you get. Okay, so it's got a review count of 20. The black one's got a review count of 16, and the navy one's got a review count of 11. Therefore, from what it looks like, we can see that the white one is getting the majority of the sales. Now, if we want to know a bit more, then what we can do is scroll down here and look at the graph here. And the graph is actually going to tell us, as well as that, how many sales we're getting for these particular products. So the color there, as I say, the white, that's getting most sales, guys. It's quite clear that's getting most of the sales. It's telling you in the graph as well as the review count. We've got the graph here. That's the white, the black, and the navy there, guys. You can also toggle the size here. So we can toggle the size here, and it's actually a one size here, guys. But if you're selling shoes or if you're selling clothing, then that will actually change, and that will show you the most popular sizes. So we can look at the size, we can look at the color, and then we can go up here and look at the price, vs the review count here. And then your next analysis point would be checking that the price is obviously profitable. And as I say, when you click onto these different things here, guys, it updates the BuyBotPro calculator on the right here. Okay, it updates the BuyBotPro calculator on the right. And as you can see down here, it's got a variation listing of 3. Okay, so it tells you if it's a variation, and then all of this profit is updated depending on the actual variation that you've clicked on there, guys. So I hope that video helps, guys. That is how you analyze a variation listing using the power of BuyBotPro. Go get a 14-day free trial for it below, guys. I'll see you soon.